Hi guys, what's up? It's Charlotte from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy, quick and delicious garlic butter chicken. I cannot wait to show you guys how to make it. This is a must try, so let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some chicken. I'm using some boneless and skinless chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast and just chop that up if you want your chicken really lean. I trim the chicken, the fat from the boneless and skinless chicken thighs, so mine is lean anyway. But if you don't want to do that, then just use chicken breast. I also have some seasoning, so I have some parsley, some thyme, some all-purpose seasoning, some onion and garlic granules, black pepper and pink salt, some minced garlic. I can get my words out. I have some minced garlic as well, some dairy-free butter, a small amount of orange juice, some chicken stock and some olive oil. So the first thing we need to do is to season the chicken. So I have the chicken in a large bowl and I'm just going to sprinkle on that seasoning, all of the dry seasoning that I mentioned at the beginning. So once I do that, I'm just going to use my hands, or hand in this case, to just rub it into the chicken. You don't need to leave the chicken to infuse overnight or for several hours. You can use it immediately. So once you do that, you just want to just set it to a side. So the first thing I'm going to do is to just pour some olive oil into my frying pan and heat that up. And once I heat that up, I'm then going to add my chicken and I'm just going to sear that meat. So what I mean by sear the meat is you're just going to technically give the meat some color. So it's not really gonna brown in this instance because we don't really have any ingredients that's gonna give it a brown color to it, and it doesn't really need to be brown because of the type of recipe we're making. So what we want to do is you just want to just sear or brown this, and it's going to take several minutes or so to brown. So I usually let it do it for about 10 minutes or so. I just continuously stir and fold the chicken until it's completely brown and browned. And you'll see now that the chicken has taken on a different color because I have managed to sear the chicken. So once I've seared the chicken, I'm then just gonna grab a small bowl, or should I say a medium-sized bowl, and I'm then gonna scoop out the chicken. So now that we removed the chicken, it's time to prepare the sauce. So you don't need to clean off your frying pan. You can use it with the remainder of the first recipe that we did with searing the chicken. So I'm just going to add some dairy-free butter to the pan, and I'm then going to add the minced garlic, and I'm just going to cook that until saute it until it is soft and translucent. So it's going to take a few minutes to get to that stage. So now I'm going to add the orange juice followed by the chicken stock, and I'm just going to continue to stir everything to make the sauce for several minutes until it starts to thicken up. As soon as it starts to thicken up, that's when it's your cue, or should I say it's your sign, to start adding the chicken into the sauce. So now that the sauce is thickened up, it's time to add the chicken to the sauce. So what you want to do now is just fold it into the sauce. So you want it to heat through, and you also want it to take on the garlic butter flavor. So I like to leave this now for a few minutes. I'll just stir it and coat the chicken for several minutes until the flavor really penetrates the chicken. You also might want to do a taste test as well and check if you need any additional pink salt and black pepper as well. So you want to do that. That's really important, to just do a taste test. So that's how you make garlic butter chicken. A really simple, easy recipe. It's my go-to sometimes when I want to do something quick in the weekday. Hopefully you guys will make it as well. It might not look like it's a flavoursome dish, but I promise it is. And I know a lot of my recipes, particularly the Caribbean ones, tend to have a bit more colour, but this one pretty much works out the way it does. Based on how it looks appearance wise, I promise you it is really nice and simple and delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the other side.